Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how does a virtual data room handle document access restriction for a specific time period. So, a virtual data room is an online platform that allows organization to securely store and share sensitive documents with authorized parties during due diligence process, mergers, acquisition, and other confidential transactions. When it comes to handling document access restriction for a specific time period, a VDR typically provides features that allow administrators to control and manage access to document based on predefined permission and time-based restriction. Here's an overview of how a VDR can handle such restrictions. Number 1. User role permission. VDRs typically offer different user roles such as administrators, viewers, and contributors, each with varying level of access and permissions. Administrators have the highest level of control and can assign permission to a specific user or groups. Number 2. Time-based access control. VDRs often provide feature to set time-based restriction on document access. Administrators can define a specific time period during which certain documents are accessible to user. This can be useful when granting temporary access to specific parties for time-limited transaction. Number 3. Expiration dates. A VDR may allow administrator to set expiration dates for document access. Once the expiration date is reached, the document becomes inaccessible to designated user. This ensures that sensitive information remains protected after a specific period. Number 4. Revocation of access. In some cases, administrators may need to revoke access to certain documents before the period time of expiration date. VDRs usually provide the ability to instantly revoke access to document even for individual user if necessary. Number 5. Audit logs and activity tracking. VDRs often maintain detailed audit logs and activity tracking functionalities. Thank you guys for watching my video.